Hey everyone, in this section we will see how to download and install Beecut. Beecut is a video editing software. Go to beecut.com. It is for Windows, Mac, Android, iPhone, and you can edit your videos online too. Click on free trial. While it is downloading, let's go through some of the features. You can trim your videos, you can split your videos, you can combine multiple videos, you can add multiple timeline layers like video, audio, text filters, and if you see, you can add some visual effects, stunning video transitions as you can see on the right hand side, and you can aspect ratio of your videos as they are showing here. Alright, once your exe is downloaded here, double click to run it and you can choose the language. I'm going to stick to English. Click on install now. Let's wait for its installation, and it is installed now. Once it is installed, it opens up a thank you page, and if you go to the bottom, it says if you're interested you can have 20% off. You use this coupon code. Back in here, click on open now. It looks cool, right? It is open. You can select some of the aspect ratios already. Click on new project. Click the import button or double click to blank area to import the file. Okay. The interface looks simple and easy. Try out the free trial, and if you like editing videos with Beecut, you can go for the paid version as well. And if you have purchased the license key and want to activate it, maybe just go to account and sign in with your email address. This email address would be the one which you used while you purchased. Click on activate VIP. You need to put the activation code here and hit OK. It says your program has been activated. Great. Alright, so that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for taking some time to watch it. I would love to see you in my next section. Have a good day. Bye.